Here's a short video how to take this off the ignition system. There's a tiny little screw goes in that hole, which is there. Lift it up, take it off, 3 little screws. I've already undone these, so 1, 2, 3. Pops through there. And this has come loose now. And you have to unscrew this, which you can see is just a bit awkward with one hand, but there you go, which is there. So let's see if we can turn it out. There you go, that goes to there. Pull the seal off. And it's out. Snip the wires. One more. There you go. Pretty straightforward. Make sure you don't lose all the screws. Put it all back. This one's knackered, broken, so it's going to be replaced. Just thought I'd show you how it came out. Thanks for watching.